Hey, Sam. What do you have? You know, there is a squirrel right at your stroller.
Yay!
It's really close to my feet. No more, Sam, okay? Oh, does he like goldfish too?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I think he's sticking them in his cheek, Sam. Whoa. Whoa. I think he scared me more than I scared him. Are you telling him where to go? Tell him, Sam, it's right there. Tell him there's one more. You're missing it. It's right there. Is it a squirrel? Oh. I don't want him to nibble on my toes, Sam. I don't know if we're supposed to be feeding him, but oh, show him where you go. Woo! Did he sniff my toes? There he is.